we are back here with another video. We're gonna be fishing the same little creek again. It was tackle box life, and let's see if anything happens. Let's go. We came here about a couple days ago, and yeah, just a little normal day of fishing. It's like around 10 o'clock right now. See if we get any fish. Last time we came, it was not that good. Very bad day. Go to my channel to watch the other video and check it out. Alright guys, I'll get back to you guys when we're at the spot. Back at the tree bridge. Let's get across and start fishing. Let's go. Look at this. Ooh, very frisky. Whoa. Made it safely across. Alrighty. As usual, we'll show you the rig. So here we got a little small bobber. And the swivel is not necessary. I just have it on there because I had a different type of rig and I just decided to just tie it on there. And then we have a small little hook, about a size 8 or 6, about 12 inches, 15 inches from the bobber on there. And you guys can see. Now let's do our first cast of the day. Let's go. Let's cast over here first. Oh, almost too perfect. There we go. Yeah, this fish spot's right over here. No bites over there, man. Alrighty. Let's see what we got over here. Right over there. See if there's a fish. Let's get around this tree. There we are. Alright guys, let's try it over here. There you go. No bites. We're barely started the day. We're good, we're good. Just here fishing from the tree bridge. You guys seen earlier. Pretty frisky. One slip and you're dead. I got no luck over there. I'm trying to check out if there's any fish over here. Let's see where's a good casting spot. Here we go. There's a nice little spot right here. Actually, we could cast from up here. Let's try it from up here real quick. Right under that bridge. Right there. See if anything's hungry right now. Let's go down here. Oh, it's very dangerous. Oh, shoot. Very dangerous. There we go. We're getting bites, guys. We're getting bites. You guys see that? Oh, oh. Oh, we missed them, guys. We missed them. Let's get back in there. Dang, guys, we're getting a bite. See if we can get back in there. Oh, you guys see that? You guys see that? Oh, he took that one right there. He took it all the way under. Oh, let's go. Dang, guys. Dang, we gotta get him. We're gonna get him right here, guys. Let's see what's the problem here. No, he should eat that. Alright, let's throw it back in there. Oh, you guys see that? Oh, we got a fish, guys. We got a fish. Let's go. Oh, he came off. No. He came off. No. Let's get back in there. Right up in there. Let's go. Come on. All right, guys. New spot over here. Not doing good so far. Not doing good. Let's try it out right here. See what happens. Get back to you guys in a minute. We're gonna bite, guys. We're gonna bite. We got a fish, guys. Oh my God, he came off. Oh my goodness, guys, he came off. They're here, guys. Dang. Let's get back in there. Come on. Oh. We're gonna bite. Dang, we missed him again. We gotta get him. Right over there. We're getting bites, guys. We're gonna bite over there. You see that? I don't know if you guys can see. Damn, we missed it. Dang, guys. Alright, let's go. That was a bite over here.
Hey, which one's the lowest name on here?
Oh, damn, guys. Got taken.
Hey, you catching anything?
It's getting bites right now. Oh, it's got one. Alright. Your first fish of the day. Yeah.
It was fine until we showed up.
Yeah. Yeah.
What else is it having here?
Us, bass, bluegill, crappie, carp, suckerfish. Yeah. All kinds of stuff.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
That's a nice thing to do, you know, just for a couple hours and shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
First fish of the day, guys. A little shiner.
Good vacuum in there, look.
Yeah. Throw him back. First fish of the day, guys. Let's get another one. See if there's more around here. There's barely any worm on the hook, so I don't know if they'll bite. Oh, they're still biting. They're still biting, guys. Oh, I missed that one. Yep, I missed that one. Let's go back in there. Oh, okay. Oh, I missed him again. Dang, guys. We found a little hole. Okay. Back in there, guys. Got a small piece of worm on there, but I think we can still get one. Oh, dang, we got caught in a tree. Well, I think that's the end of our rodeo. Dang. Oh, got it out. Oh, we broke the hook off. Well, guys, I'm gonna go get another worm and we'll be back. Guys, we're back at the spot. I already retied another hook. Let's get back in there. Just smooth little cast. Okay. That's not that good, but we'll still get one. All right, guys. Oh, there it is. They're starting again. They're back. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, we're getting bites, guys. I think. Oh, we got it. We got one, guys. Oh, yeah. Let's go. We got it. We got a nice one. No! Guys, he came off. No, guys. That was a nice one. No. Ah, let's get back in there, guys. Man, that was a nice one right there. That was a nice big shiner. Dang, guys. Oh, that was a nice hit. Come on now. Redemption for that big shiner. Just rebaited with a wiggler. Let's go. A big fish has to eat this. Am I right? Right up in there. Let's go. That bobber is gonna get swallowed right now. Getting bite, guys. We are getting the bite. Where you guys saw that? I don't know if it's on there or not, guys. We got it. Ooh. Second fish of the day, guys. Another nice little shiner. Ooh, he's splashing the camera. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Nice little shiner. Look at that. Let's get him off the hook. And let's release him. Destroy the worm. And second shiner of the day. Let's get another one.
Caught anything?
Yeah, just caught like 2 fish right now. Yeah.
That's right. Where they all at? Right here.
Not like they're on the whole creek. Yeah. Little fit. Oh shit! Like right now, I just got another bite.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
I'm gonna come with my fishing pole right now.
Yeah. Look at that. Look at that.
You let him go or you?
Yeah, I let him go.
Oh, you catch him. Let him
Yeah. Getting bites over there, guys. Oh. It's all the way over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Nah, we missed him, guys. Dang. Let's get back over there. All right, guys. It's been an alright day. You know, we came out here to the little creek, caught a couple shiners, lost a few, got hella bites, and yeah, we're about to call it a day here. Yeah, nothing on the bottom rig, no fish. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. Click the subscribe button to never miss a video. Click the bell, like this video, comment, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.